Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from the Brainly app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then tap on settings and then tap on logout. And here if we want to log out for real, we can just tap on yes, I'm out. And then we are going to exit our account, but we can log back in at the time, or we can just tap on no, I'll stay, which basically cancels the logging out process. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.